good kids. Hi friends! Today we are going to have so much fun drawing together. In this video, we are going to draw something special. Come on, let's start. First, let's quickly draw the cat, starting with the rear mirror. Then draw the hood at the top. Draw the car windshield. Oh, it's a convertible. Next, we draw the headlights. Then I draw the four wheels like this. The wheels go round and round, moving quickly on the rod. Let's draw Daddy Pig, his eyes, his nose, then his face and ears. Oh, Daddy Pig has appeared. Next to him, let's draw Mommy Pig. She is driving the car with a big smile on her face. Behind the parents, let's draw Peppa Pig and Jack Pig. First, we draw Peppa Pig, starting with her eyes, her nose, and her smiling mouth. Then I draw Jack's Pig next to her. Both of them look very happy and excited about this trip. Don't forget to pack up Peppa Pig and her family. Remember kids, we need to wear seat belts to keep ourselves safe when we are in the car. Finally, let's draw the rod and the pinches on the rod side. Now we are going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. That's it. Now let's start coloring together. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.